If your pet cat looks like a mini jaguar, you might actually have an ocelot. Let's uncover 5 astonishing ocelot facts. Fact 1. Ocelots are incredible jumpers. They can leap up to 12 feet in a single bound. Imagine jumping over a car. Fact 2. These cats have night vision that's 6 times better than ours. They could totally win at hide and seek in the dark. Fact 3. Ocelots have unique fur patterns. No two are alike, just like human fingerprints. Talk about a fashion statement. Fact 4. They can swim. Unlike most cats, ocelots aren't afraid of water. Pool party, anyone? Fact 5. Ocelots are expert climbers. They can scale trees with ease and love to hang out in the branches. Treehouse goals. If you enjoyed these wild facts, hit like and subscribe for more cool science. Catch you later.